Good morning, student. How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Before we start the lesson, let us pray according to your own beliefs. Thank you. Please pay attention, everyone. Today, we are going to learn basic basketball technique. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to practice basic basketball skill correctly. Basketball is a you play sport among teenagers. It helps us build teamwork, discipline, and physical fitness. Interaction basketball is team sport played by two teams. Each team tries to score point by shooting the ball in the basket. Dribbling. The first technique is dribbling. Dribbling means bouncing the ball using one hand. Keep your head up and control the ball. Instruction, please watch the demonstration. Now practice is dribbling slowly. Passing, the second technique is passing. Passing is you to give the ball your teammate. They are catch pass, bounce pass, and overhead pass. Instruction, work in first place. Practice the catch pass for 1 minute. Shooting, the next technique is shooting. Shooting is used to score points. Bend your knees and for catch on the basketball. Instruction, take turns shooting the ball. Catching is important to receive the ball safely. Use both hands and keep your eyes on the ball. Please line up properly. Don't run. Pay attention to the instructions. Try again. What did we learn today? Yes, we learned dribbling, passing, shooting, and kicking. Which technique is difficult for you? You did very well today. Keep practicing to improve your skills. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye, students. See you next time.
Goodbye, student.
Thank you.
Yeah.